Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is SayRish and you are watching SayRish. So as you know, the most famous thing in Canada is maple syrup. We all love maple syrup topping on our pancake and waffles. But the question is, where does maple syrup come from? And to reveal the secret, we are going to see the extraction of maple syrup.
Hello! Nice to see you all. Thanks. Jessica, I still need you there. Okay. With your hand over your heart. Okay. Yeah, and you're just going to sink yourself into the soil. Good. Deep into the soil. Trees have roots. Some of them go straight down, but most of them go out this way. They're called lateral roots. And if you were to take a tree like this and take all the roots and put them end to end, do you know how far it would go? 200 kilometers.
Wow.
A lot of roots are under the ground. And what are they doing? They are trying to reach for water and minerals. And at the end of the root is little root hairs. Can you show me your root hairs? There you go. And those root hairs are searching out the minerals, and when they find the minerals in the water, you know what they do? They slurp it up for the tree. So show me. Right. 1, 2, 3.
Whoosh!
Again. Whoosh.
Whoosh.
So go slurp, whoosh, and your heart would. You don't move. All right. That's great. The trees need it. They need that water plus sunlight plus carbon dioxide. They can make a sugar. What a cool arrangement. Breathe in again. What we don't need, we need, the trees give us oxygen, and what we don't need, carbon dioxide, breathe out, the trees need. Isn't that lovely? Okay, but somehow we got to get all the sugar that the tree made down to the tips of the roots and the tips of the branches and the edges of the trunk, because that's how a tree grows. So I want some of you to go with the food that you've just not moving. And then now our roots are slurping up water and minerals. Go ahead, slurp. And now you can slurp. And then you guys go whoosh. And just keep it going. Slurp, whoosh. Keep it going. And protect the tree. Now give yourselves a round of applause all the way around. Good. And thank you very much, Roots. Thank you very much, Hardwood.
The green in your hair.
Yeah.
Especially during pandemic times, you know? It's great to do with the kids and everything. So if you have a maple tree at home, you can tap it. As long as it's at least that big, it's big enough to tap. And then you can make your own maple syrup. I'm going to show you how. You get the sawdust out of there. You just kind of go in and out a little bit to get that sawdust out. Work. We're going to need to flick it open and pull it out a little. Metal part off. Yeah, you got it. Good job. Just going to tuck that part. What's your name? Moya? Great job, Moya. Oh, Lucas. Lucas? All right. Can you see this hole? Can you put that hole onto this hook? You did it! Wow.
Good job, Lucas.
And that's it. Now, if it's a warm day, like tomorrow is going to be a warm day. That's the hard part. You pour a bucket. If this is all full of sap, you'll make that much syrup.
Oh.
Oh. A lot of boiling. And when you boil that water, if you boil it inside, that's not good for your home, eh?
Stethoscope. And did you know that you can hear the sap rising? You use a stethoscope, and when the sun is shining on a warm day, and you put the stethoscope against the tree, you can hear the sap coming up.
Oh.
Would you like to taste a bit of maple syrup?
Yes.
Samples for the children and pass them around.
And we can also taste maple taffy. Maple taffy is where we took the syrup, we boiled it down a bit more, and then we put it on the snow, and then you just take a popsicle stick and twist it, and then you get taffy. You want to try that?
Yes.
Okay, I just have to go over there and
We got a chance to try pure maple syrup. But there is something which is more exciting than this.
Thank you. Do you want me to give
And here we are making maple syrup candies. You have to pour maple syrup on the snow. And within seconds our maple candy is ready.
Good.
Show me your lolly. You want to try that? Let's try it.
Yeah.
It's so tasty.
I made more here. I'll just get out of the way.
You did it like a pro. You want this? I can get more.
नहीं नहीं खाओ.
No, mira, mira. Yeah, no, mira, mira. Yeah, it tastes good.
Everyone is enjoying their sweet treat. It is such a fun-filled experience with 𝐒𝐻𝐈𝐊𝐄 camp. I hope you guys are enjoying this video and you will try your own maple syrup candy at home. For now we are leaving. See you in next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon so you will get the notification of my new videos. Bye bye.